How to install BlueDot AI. So what I mean by install, you don't need to install it locally. You can head over and install their free extension. So head over to bluedotu.com and then from there you can see this. Head over and click on this install free extension. It's available on the Brave browser and a lot more browsers like this. And it's been trusted by a lot of companies like Wix, Etsy, and a lot more. Click on this install free extension, and then from there, it will direct you to the Blue Dot extension on the Chrome Web Store. And then you can see here this Add to Chrome option. Click on this Add to Chrome, and then click on Add Extension. Now, while it's adding, you can see that this AI note taker doesn't need to join your meeting, so there is no bot that will join it. So from in there, as you can see, it will onboard you to your Blue Dot, and then you should be able to see this. So just head over and then create an account, and then head over and use email or Google. For me, I'll head over and use Google right here. And then once I have done that, this will actually redirect me to this page, and I just need to head over and then continue right here. Now, once you have added your Google account, it will actually get you to the actual dashboard of Blue Dot, wherein you can see your workspace. So just name your workspace sets for this case. So let's name this VM. And as you can see right here, I have now added in here my workspace and I can see this. So that's how you install BlueDot AI and create an account. Hope we helped.